Questions are born out of three levels. Level number one of questions is questions which are based out of facts. Questions which are based out of facts. So I ask Neha, where do your parents stay? In which area of town?
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Brilliant. Now this is a fact. Now you and me cannot debate, Nani, actually they stay in Birmingham. Unless the housing society in which they stay is called Birmingham. होता है ना? I mean, in what is that street that you have in Baner? What street?
High Street.
Balewadi High Street.
High Street.
And there may be Swapnil, are you there? Swapnil Mukulika, are you there? Swapnil Mukulika? Darling, great. There I see Swapnil now. What is the housing society you have? Laburnum.
Laburnum Park.
Laburnum Park. Now, laburnum is a flower, I assume.
Yes, yes.
And in Laburnum Park, do you actually have laburnum flowers?
Yes, we have.
Yes, अच्छी बोल.
Yes, yes, outside we have.
चलो ठीक है. Now, otherwise, if he says, let's assume his society was called Lotus. Where do you stay? I stay in Lotus. और क्या कमाल फेंकता है क्या? लोटस में कोई रह सकता है क्या? अरे भाई हाउसिंग सोसाइटी का नाम लोटस है. First level of questions are questions which seeks facts. Now there is a trap over here. It helps in decision making brilliantly, but the trap is it narrows your mind. And when I say narrows your mind, what do you mean? What you mean is you believe there is only one answer to any question. And that brings a lot of ego. What do I mean by that? You cannot take difference of opinion. If you are a person who does not like anybody questioning you, if you are a person who does not like anybody debating with you, if you want the whole world to blindly accept what you are saying, and if somebody has a difference of opinion, you cannot explore their thinking, then you are trapped in level one of questions. For example, if I ask any one of you, how was the chanting? And if one of you says, Maza nahi aaya. If I am trapped in level one, I only wanted one answer, and that answer was, it was great. Any other answer, my ego like Bhadrakali will come out. मजा नहीं है मतलब तुमने ध्यान से किया नहीं होगा. पूरी जनता को अच्छा लगा, एक अकेले तुम्ही को अच्छा नहीं लगा. अब प्रॉब्लम किधर है तुम ही बताओ. I become vicious. I attack people. I cannot take difference of opinion. And over here, the answer is not about right and wrong. It's about जो मेरे को लगता है ना right answer है, मेरे को वो ही सुनने का है. Are you a person who cannot take feedbacks? If I tell Tahira, why this work is not completed? And let's say Tahira says, कितना काम है मेरे सर के ऊपर? Now that does not explain why work was not completed. अगर उसके सर पे बहुत काम था, she should have told, आज मेरे ऊपर लोड ज्यादा है, ये 7 काम में से 5 काम हो पाएगा, 2 काम नहीं हो पाएगा, ये काम किसी और से करवा लो या फिर मेरे साथ में से 2 काम ले लो ताकि मैं ये काम कर सकूं. Now if this is how the discussion happens with Tahira, then Tahira is very responsible At the same time, she knows work has to get done. Self sympathy is zero. She would like to learn, she would like to grow, she would like to improve, she would like to expand. And yet I have seen the smartest of people defending themselves in the name of कितना काम था, सब काम कैसे होगा? Then why you did not delegate? Because they only seek answers to question at the first level. You will see that at homes. You might see that in your father. Your children might see it in you. कि पापा के सामने अगर कुछ और बोला ना, पापा बात करना बंद कर देंगे 7 दिन, खाना नहीं खाएंगे, उदास रहेंगे. जो पापा बोलते हैं कर लो, नहीं तो पूरा माहौल खत्म हो जाता है, खराब हो जाता है एकदम. Then papa is a person who is trapped only at level 1 of thinking. And that is, I have an answer, that answer has to be solved by everybody. Now the good thing about that is, when you have to make choices, when you have to take decisions, if you have to be a judge, when you have to be fair, you go by facts and not by opinions. That's the good thing about it. So somebody says, Mohan did not do this work well, or said, Mohan told me a lie. Now it is that person's opinion it was a lie. If I go by facts, I will ask, और कौन था उस समय? चलो उनको बुलाते हैं, मोहन को भी बुलाते हैं, तुम भी वहीं बैठो, चलो बातचीत करते हैं. What you are saying may be a fact, what you are saying may be an opinion. I want to know the facts before I make my choices. Let's say somebody says, you're not good enough. Why somebody? Let's say you believe you're not good enough. Fact or opinion? You can say, Narendra, it is a fact because last 3 responsibilities I took, I couldn't do it well. And I will say, okay, I'll give you 10 experiences in life where you took responsibility and you did it well. So 10 times you showed you are capable, 3 times you showed you are not good enough for that job at that point of time. How does it prove that you are not good enough as a person? Fact क्या बोलता है? You're not going to the narrow fact in front of you. You are actually wanting to analyze things properly to understand what is the fact. So level 1 questions, advantage, you are very fair, you are a good thinker, you go for the facts, and you make decisions based on reality. Disadvantage, you can have very high ego. You may bounce back at people or pounce back at people when they point out something wrong at you. If they say this should have happened, you go into self-sympathy mode. मैं कितना करूं, इतना तो कर रहा हूं, फिर भी कोई खुश नहीं है. All that is because you are trapped in level number 1. You only want to listen to good things and not the not so good things of life. And there will be proof. If somebody gives a negative feedback to you, do you start crying? If somebody gives a negative feedback to you, do you move into silence? कोई मेरे को नहीं समझता है. Do you move into that zone? Then you are trapped in the negative aspect of level 1. Then there is level 2. What is level 2? Level 2 is when you are curious and you want to know more. Where you want to explore. Advantage, no failure in the world can stop you. अच्छा ऐसे किया नहीं हुआ और क्या रास्ता हो सकता है? उसको पटाने का है, ऐसे बोला उसने नहीं सुना, और अपन कैसे बात कर सकते हैं? और अपने को बॉम्बे जाने का है, अभी अपने पास पास नहीं है, और क्या रास्ता निकल सकता है? You are a solution finder and your questions are all about level 2. Level 1, you will do the same thing and expect result should come because your focus is only one path. Level 2, you're open to as many paths as possible. What else can be done is level 2. For example, I say, Amir Khan is a great actor. And I only want people to agree with me. I'm at level 1. So I'll ask, Anil, क्या लगता है आपको? Anil says, बरोबर. Then to me, Anil is a good friend, great guy. और if Anil says, नरेन बाकी सब तो ठीक है, लेकिन इन लोग जो शादी वादी करके डिवोर्स लेके फिर दूसरी शादी करते हैं ना, वो मेरे को नहीं जमता है. अभी एक्टर होगा, लेकिन कैरेक्टर मेरे को नहीं जम रहा है. Now, if I'm at level 1, I can't tolerate this. यार एक्टर के बारे में बात कर रहे हो, तुम कैरेक्टर में क्यों जा रहे हो? भाई दुनिया में कितने लोगों का कैरेक्टर खराब है, क्या करोगे तुम? It will become aggression. It will become like, how dare you talk like this? We can't hold a conversation then. Level 2 would be, that's interesting. But does it mean that when somebody gets divorced and remarries, something is wrong in their character? I mean, could it just be a choice which they realized is not working out for both after a period of time? The person he got married to and the person who she has become today, हो सकता है उसमें कुछ चेंज हो. We don't know. This is level 2, where I want to explore, I want to understand, I want to contemplate, I want to debate, I want to discuss. I am curious to know तुमको क्या लगता है. This is not to ratify my decision, but to become more mature. It's like asking your children, यार जूम में मेरे को ये 3 चीज मालूम है, मेरे को और बताओ ना जूम में और क्या क्या है. You want to learn. Let's say somebody says Akbar the Great. Level 1 question, who was called great among the Mughal rulers? Level 1 question. If somebody answers Shahjahan, अरे गलत रे. बाबर, Akbar, correct. Because there is only one right answer. There are no 2 right answers. This is level 1. Level 2 would be, why was Akbar called great? अभी analyze करते हैं. Somebody might say because he had Navratnas. That's an interesting thought. Somebody said he proposed this religion called Din-i-Ilahi. A religion where he wanted to bring the best of Sikhism, best of Hinduism, best of Islam, and he wanted to create a new religion where there is harmony. And to prove that he does not differentiate, he also married Jodhabai. Hence Akbar is called great. अरे Akbar had Tansen यार, Birbal. And the empire of Mughals were the largest among all the Mughal empires. Hence Akbar is called great. Now there are 5-7 different perspectives by which we can say, correct, these can be the reasons. And somebody else might say, I don't see Akbar as great. Why? Well, there are many reasons. One of the reasons being, he did marry a Hindu princess, but he made her change her name. I don't see any husband as great who makes his wife change her name. वाइफ नेम क्यों चेंज करेगी? लेट द हस्बैंड चेंज हिज नेम. है ना? Let's say there is a girl called Prajakta. After marriage, her now name is Kanchan. ठीक है? Husband's name was, let's say, Satish. After marriage, now what is his name? तो उसमें greatness क्या हुआ? हट, लल्लू राम. That's another interesting thought. There is a perspective. That is how also you can look at situations. This is level 2. Tremendous tolerance, lots of openness. और ऐसे लोगों से बात करके बहुत मजा आता है. They expand your mind. And they make you feel smart because your point of view is also valuable and important. Level 2. The trap in level 2, you are not driven by facts, you're driven by opinions. And as many people, so many opinions. So sometimes the choices that you make in life may turn out to be wrong, may turn out to be right also, but may turn out to be wrong. Because you are basing your decisions on facts, or on opinions and not on facts. Then comes level 3. Level 3 is very wide. Level 3 goes into the core of a thinking. Level 3 would be, Akbar spread his empire, but should there be something called war? लड़ाई होनी चाहिए क्या? So you're not talking about Akbar anymore. You have gone to a much bigger picture. These are the original thinkers. These are the philosophers. This is what a Ved Vyas has to be. When the central idea is do your duty, अपना कर्म करो. What is the best way for a human being to live life? By doing his duty. Now let's look at what is duty. Who has which duty? Why this duty is to this person? Big picture is very complicated thinking. Not many people are capable of doing that. Are you a part of Keep Moving movement? Level 1 question. Do you think these sessions create an impact? Level 2 question. Is training necessary? Level 3 question. So level 3, yes, training is necessary. How to train? Through Keep Moving movement. How to train through Keep Moving movement? Become a participant. So the big picture brings you down to the small thing. A wide angle brings you down to action. Leaders necessarily need to be an expert in level 3 thinking. The core, the purpose, the central idea. When that is right, let's explore what are the ways by which things can be done. And let's focus on this path which seems to make a lot of sense. Should business make profits? Should there be a cap to profit? Should there be a rule that किसी भी धंधे में 20% से ज्यादा मार्जिन नहीं होना चाहिए? Or should we leave it to the smartness of people to even have 200% as margin? These are all level 2 questions. Level 1, क्या माल बेचेंगे तो 2 पैसा मिलेगा? Level 3, how much money should a human being have? Once he earns that money, does that money belong to the whole family or does it belong to the man who earned that money? So let's say Mohanji has earned about 1 crore and his wife is a housewife. Now if 50 lakhs has to be spent, can it be Mohanji's choice? मैंने पैसा कमाया, मेरे को जैसे खर्चा करना है मैं करूंगा. Or can his wife say, ये खर्चा अलाउड नहीं है बॉस, ये खर्चा गलत है, ये खर्चा नहीं कर सकते आप. और पैसा मैंने कमाया है. So does the money belong to the whole family? Because if his wife had not played the role that she has played, would he be able to earn what he's earned? So is there no value to the brake in a vehicle and all the value is there only to the engine? रोल तो छोटा है ब्रेक का, लेकिन उसके बिना गाड़ी चलेगी कैसे? Now when we ask these questions, we get clarity about life कि अपने को लाइफ में क्या करना चाहिए, कितना करना चाहिए, कैसे करना चाहिए, किसके साथ करना चाहिए, इसका तरीका क्या होना चाहिए. और ये सब के बारे में नहीं सोचा तो लेवल 1 में अटक जाएंगे. मैंने जो बोला बस वो होने का है, मैंने जो सोच लिया बस वही होने का है. एंड दैट इज व्हाट क्रिएट्स अ हिटलर. All of us need to have all these 3 levels of questions. The high level for a purpose, the mid level for planning, and for the beginning level for action. Only action, no direction, no planning. You might get tired and you might feel lost. And then entertainment is your way out of any trouble. Distraction is your way out for any trouble. कुछ प्रॉब्लम है क्या, चलो सिगरेट पिएंगे. कुछ प्रॉब्लम है क्या, चलो दारू पिएंगे. कुछ प्रॉब्लम है क्या, 4 घंटा टीवी देखो. Then your method of life is escape. Something not going right, escape. Your method of life is something is not going right, solve it. When you ask the second level question, what should I do to ensure the same thing does not happen again? And level 3 defines the purpose. I repeat, all leaders have the capacity for level 3, level 2 and level 1. Exclusive followers have only level 1 thinking. करना क्या है बताओ? Managers have level 1 and level 2 thinking. Unfortunately, many business leaders work like managers and not like owners. You might be the owner of your organization. Your turnover might be 100 crores, but your fitrat, your nature, your anchor, your level may be only 2. Visionary नहीं है. And I say this in my program Berry, which we do for businessmen. Just because you are the owner of the company does not mean you are a leader. You might be a manager owner, not a leader owner. You can take any level of life. Parenting, the way we parent our children either will be in level 1 question, मैंने जो बोला वो होना चाहिए बस. मेरे को मालूम है बाप कौन, And people like Prashant can always say, धूप में बाल सफेद नहीं किए. I can never say that. Satish has even better rights to say that statement. मतलब जो बोला वही करने का, बस बहस नहीं. Second level of parenting would be to involve them. क्या लगता है तेरे को? क्या होना चाहिए? And third level would be visualizing what kind of an impact my child should have on this planet. And for that, what kind of an impact I need to have on my child. What if this child is the turning point to humanity? When Mahatma Gandhi was 15 years old, the parents didn't know that this fellow will become a Mahatma. Similarly, my child, they might be incredible. Let me believe that they are incredible. Now, what role should I play in their life? Either my parenting will restrict the caterpillar to a life of caterpillar, or can I visualize a butterfly in the caterpillar and play my role? Any aspect of life, you will find these three possibilities. Only action, the why about the action, and then ultimately, is this the action which is actually required? Only action, the best way to do the action, and why the action. Three levels of questions. Watch the kind of questions you ask. When you talk with somebody, what is the level of questions you have? Purpose, plan, or action? So Vikas Bhandari runs Bhandari Auto Agencies and Bhakti Cars. What does he do? His name is Vikas Bhandari and he is into car accessories. Level number 1. Level number 2, how to make my firm very profitable. How to expand. Level 2. Level 3, for a brilliant future, is it necessary for me to do this business or should I do something else? Do I need to invest crores and run, or is my mind enough for me to earn crores without investment? How much money should I earn? By when should I work? These are all level 3 questions. So if Vikas can begin at level 3, then his present business, he's not attached to it, he's willing to mold, he's willing to change the moment there is an opportunity. लेवल 3 नहीं है, भाई मेरे को यही काम आता है, यही काम मेरे को करना है. So let's say if I tell Anil, we should move into coaching. Sports is coming in a very big way. You have been selling sports material your entire life. Last 50, 60 years, that's your experience. But future is in coaching. Profits are extraordinary in coaching and the need of the nation is coaching. And no other coaching organization will have the kind of wealth of information, knowledge, experience, connections, network the way you have. Future is coaching. What you have earned in 50 years out of Shakti Sports, you get coaching right, you will be able to do it in 5 years' time. Coaching mein ghus jao. To move into that will require level 3 कि future किसमें है. Otherwise, we might keep saying यार Amazon ने वाट लगा दी. अभी ऑनलाइन सब मिलता है ना, तो दुकान कोई आता ही नहीं है. लोगों के पास क्या टाइम ही नहीं है. We are still thinking about how to run our present business properly or the way we have run. That's the only reference point we have. पहले कैसा होता था? But where is the future going? वो सोचने के लिए लेवल 3 थिंकिंग चाहिए, लेवल 3 क्वेश्चंस चाहिए. That's why I say leaders do level 3 thinking. बहुत मजा आता है उसमें. It's unnerving because you don't have an experience to fall back on. You are as good as a 22-year-old or 23-year-old boy or girl who are attempting doing something. But the future belongs to level 3 people. Future never belongs to level 1. Level 1 is taken for granted, level 1 is exploited, level 1 will rarely get what they deserve. The Kamwali Bais and the drivers of our home are all level 1. उनको रोज की कमाई रोज की समझती है. वेरी इमोशनल, वेरी इगोइस्टिक, लेवल 1 ही होगा. So level 1 is workers, level 2 is managers who are thinking about efficiency but largely based on their past experiences and sometimes wanting to explore a little more in the present. Level 3 is leadership. To paraphrase Ritesh, contemplate on this a little. And if you have questions, send me those questions. Let's see in this week what is the clarity I can give to you. Now imagine if we are a family of level 3 thinkers, we can shake the whole world. A Bharat at 100 comes purely out of a level 3 mind. 27 years down the line, if this is what I want, what should be done today? If this is what I think should be done today, what are the other options? Let's discuss and find out. So the actor, the manager and the leader are working together. And that is when beautiful things happen. Every family needs at least one level 3 thinker. Definitely a few managers. Every business needs at least a few level 3 thinkers. A team of managers. And then of course a large number of people who are executing. Once you get the knack of doing this, your confidence goes up like nobody's business. Will you fail? You might fail in a business or two. But you will never fail in life. You will do exceptionally well. Exceptionally well. So I wish all of you level 3 thinking when level 3 is required. Level 3 questions when level 3 questions are required. Level 2 thinking and level 2 questions when they are required to expand, to explore. And level 1 thinking and level 1 questions when they are required. Disadvantage of level 3, often we are not able to be very precise in action because our thinking is very core, very wide. So sometimes it becomes philosophical and not action oriented. Exceptional life is when you as an individual has all 3 possibilities. When you say क्या चाहिए बोलो मेरे में तीनों हैं और कितना मजा आएगा, कितना मजा आएगा. If you are struggling in life, if you go through emotional tsunamis every now and then, chances are you are in level 1 or level 2. If you are a composed person, if it is difficult for people, events to shake you, then largely you must be level 3 and level 2. Contemplate, find out where you are. And if you want, let's have a conversation. I'll see all of you next Sunday for session number 5 of KMM. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much and love you all.